In this video, I'll be unboxing and taking a quick look at the Vebach wireless charger. Hi everybody, this is Andrew from T is for Tech, and today I'm taking a look at another wireless charger. This is the Vebach Dubhe1 wireless Qi charger. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. It's Vebach, V-E-B-A-C-H is the company, and it's the Dubhe1, so or W1, D-U-B-H-E-1 wireless charger. It's a Qi certified fast wireless charger. It's compatible with the iPhone 10, 10s Max, 10R, 10, 8, 8 Plus at a 7.5 watt capacity, and a 10 watt for Samsung Galaxy Note series and S series and all of that. Let me see here a little bit about this. The one I got, this is a it's a white ceramic and metal. So we'll take a look at that when I unbox it. It has quick charge available. And you can take a look at the specs kind of on the Amazon listing. It's similar to the other Qi charger that I looked at the other on the other video. So we'll take a look here. So it actually says the model is C10. So this W1 C10 is actually what it says here. It's metal, silicone. 178 grams, output 10 watt max or 7.5 depending on Samsung or not Samsung or Android or Apple. Charging distance is 4 to 8 millimeters, so that's pretty good. Should fit some, or should charge through some thicker cases, I would imagine. Basically works with all Qi compatible wireless devices, including latest iPhone and Samsung phones. Color, I got the ceramic white. Everybody has kind of got that same Apple type product, except this one I think I dropped, or Amazon dropped the package. Got a little bit dinged up, but let's take a look at what you got. So plastic wrap, kind of just cut this open. I don't know about you, but I just love unboxing things. It doesn't matter what it is, but it always feels like Christmas when I start to unwrap things. So the top just slides right off. Got some materials here. Happy? Question mark? Are you happy? This is all about contacting them. It's a user guide. So Vebach is a high-end brand of the technology Weibo company that is dedicated to provide high-quality, intelligent wireless charging products such as cell phone, digital, home, smart devices, etc. Using Vebach wireless charging pad with the Qi 3.0, a quick charge 3.0 fast power adapter will have increased performance, etc., etc., etc. It's compatible with Apple and Samsung fast charge, similar to the other things I've reviewed before in the past. So again, this is. So what do we have here? So we have a. No, they give you a little white cloth, microfiber-ish cloth, I guess, to keep it nice and shiny and clean. So we have a cloth. That's nice. Also have micro USB cable to charge it or to plug it in. No charger, so you basically just use the charger that you have with your phone. There's a little plastic. Now, this is really nice, actually. This feels kind of like this is pretty heavy. I think I said it was 178 grams, so it's got some heft to it. This is seems like stainless steel, kind of chromed edges, ceramic bottom and ceramic top. It's got a nice rubber ring around the edge to kind of keep the phone from sliding. This feels just feels like really nice. Even compared to, like, say for instance the Samsung charger, which is mostly plasticky feeling, this feels like a premium, kind of like the feeling that you get when you hold something like an iPhone 10, right? It just feels like substantial, nice thing. Yeah, so definitely I'm digging the feel of this. And they also have space gray. This is the ceramic white, as I mentioned. So let's gonna plug this in. Oops. So to start again, or to start for this one, I'm gonna plug this into. I guess I'll clean this up here real quick. There's some of this. I'll start with the Samsung. So I'm gonna plug this into. I have a Samsung adaptive fast charging brick. Plug that in, and then my trusty Galaxy Note 9, the D brand skin, and let's plop it on here. See what happens. Okay, so fast charging wirelessly, it's 64%, about an hour and 4 minutes till it's full. So fast charge works with the Samsung adapter. If I don't use the Samsung adapter and I just use an iPhone adapter from the iPhone XS, see what happens. Basically just says charging wirelessly 64%, hour and 34 minutes. So basically by using the lower power adapter, it adds about 30 minutes to the charge time versus the fast charge adapter. So again, just to say what I did, I had a Samsung Galaxy Note 9, came with the Galaxy Note 9, their adaptive fast charger. I plugged that in and it says fast charge, hour and something, from about 64%. I then plug that in just to the standard Apple adapter that comes with the iPhone XS Max, and it says it's going to take an hour and 34 minutes to charge. So obviously there is a difference there, so it looks like the fast charging is working. This does, I think it just has a little blue LED light. I don't even know if you can see that here. Probably not in the light, but has a blue LED light, which basically you can tell that it's charging if you put that on, and the blue light lights up. So works pretty well as far as I can tell from just placement. Kind of just plop it on there and it starts charging. So I'll put the Samsung aside now. So basically, this is the iPhone X S Max. It's the black version. D brand skin on the back. Plop that down. Starts charging. As I explained in another video, or I'm sure other people know, like Apple doesn't really tell you At least I don't know a way to tell if it's fast charging or not. So you do have to use probably the Apple wall wart in order to get that rate of charge on this thing. So I had another video kind of talked about the same thing, and like I said, you know, I'm more in the Android camp nowadays, but I don't know why Apple makes it so difficult to know things about your phones, right? So now it's plugged into the Samsung fast charger. Obviously it's going to charge. I just don't know if it's going to charge any faster than if not. Okay, so the next test would just be to test it with a case. So this is the Spigen Tough Armor case for the iPhone. And plop that down there. Starts charging. So that's good. Put this over here. So I got the Samsung, also in a Spigen Tough Armor case. Plop that down. Fast charging wirelessly, same thing, hour and 4 minutes until fully charged. So this is plugged back into the Samsung adapter, and you can get the get the wireless charging. So that's nice. So works with both the phones that I have that are wireless charging capable. These are the only two phones that I have that do have wireless charging on them. So again, this is the Vebach charger in ceramic and metal. I don't know if this is stainless steel or not. I didn't see on any of the specs, unless I missed it, to see if this, if it said this was stainless steel. But this is ceramic. Like I said, there's like rubber kind of on the edges of it, so it doesn't want to slip around. The phone doesn't want to slip around. Micro USB adapter plugs in. There's an LED light here to kind of indicate whether or not it's charging or not. All in, this is definitely a substantial charger. If you're into that, like if you just want something that looks, not if you just want something, but if you want something that looks nice as well as being functional, this looks to be a good choice. I'll put a link in the description to the Amazon listing for this. Definitely check it out if you're in the market for a wireless charger. I'll be taking a look over the weeks to come, and definitely will update this video, at least in the comment section or the description, if I notice anything that's worthy of mentioning. So definitely stay tuned for that. I like the whole thing. The only thing I would say, honestly, at this point, I don't know why companies are still using micro USB connectors. I mean, everyone's moving towards USB-C. I'm starting to collect a bunch of USB-C cables and devices. So it would be nice to not have this. But then again, I guess it doesn't really matter, because if I'm going to use this on my desk or in my home office or at work or something like that, I'm just going to plug it in and leave it there. It's not like I'm going to be unplugging and replugging and doing all that. So so it doesn't really matter too much, I guess, on a device like this. But in 2019, I would just think that most companies would be using USB-C cables at this point. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.